Welcome, in front of me say Huawei Y6P, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your phone to an SD card and vice versa. So to get started, we'll want to open up the Files app, so let's find it. Oh, there it is. So it's right here. Let's tap on it. Let's go to categories, where it will show us both of our storage. So we have the internal and the SD card. And let's find our files, which I believe will be on the internal storage. And yep, there they are. So before we get started, photos, videos captured with the device itself will be always in the DCIM folder. Pictures, which is somewhere lower right here, will contain screenshots that you have captured on the device. Music, movies, stuff like that will contain usually files that you have placed there yourself, so you most likely know that they're in there, while the downloads folder will contain anything that you have downloaded, that be through browser or email, anything like that. Any kind of file can be located in here if it has been downloaded. So as an example, I'm going to be using the photos right here that I've captured for this purpose. And there's a couple of ways you can select it. You can select the files themselves and just tap on the ones that you want. You can select the folder itself along with all of its content. So let's basically, if you want to select the files or a single one, all you need to do is hold it till it becomes checked like it is right now, and then tap on additional ones if you want more than one. Now, if you want to move an entire folder full of photos, you could either select all of them, but a better way would be just to select the entire camera folder itself along with all of its content rather than all of the files themselves. So this is how you would select individual files. Well, basically same premise, selecting folder. So assuming we have selected everything that we want, now we have two options. You can either copy them or move them. Moving them will basically remove them from where they are right now and move them to a new location, while a copy will create an additional set of the same files. So I'm gonna select move, and from now we want to backtrack to a location that we want to move it. So I want to move them to SD card because they're right now on the internal storage. So let's go to SD, and I could either keep it organized by moving it to the DCIM or anywhere else. It doesn't really matter as long as I'm on the SD card. So let's go into here, tap move, it begins moving, and there we go. You can see that we're now still on the memory card, and the DCIM folder with the camera folder has been created along with everything that was in there. Now if I go back to the internal storage, you will see that the DCIM is now empty because I chose to move it. And that is how you would transfer any kind of file from one place to another. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.